IIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the acid-base titration. There are the Arrhenius theory for the acid-base titration. Acid is a substance which, given the hydrogen ion in an aqueous medium, and base is the substance which, given the hydroxy ion in the aqueous medium. And these theory are only the applicable for the aqueous solution. First is the Lowry and the Bronsted theory. Bronsted theory, acid base is the substance which donate a proton to the hydrogen ion, and base is the substance which accept a proton. Lewis theory, acid is the substance which accept the electron pair, and base is a substance which donate electron pair. Next is the acid is a chemical species that react with a base, thereby donating the cations or the accepting the anions or electron. And base is a chemical species that react with the acids, thereby donating the anion or electron or accepted a cations. The next concept is the Lux flood concept. Acid is a substance which accept the oxide ion, and base is a substance which donate the oxide ion. Next is the law of mass action. The rate of a chemical reaction is proportional to the active masses of the reacting substance. A plus B is equivalent to the C plus D. According to the law of mass action, Vf is equal to K1 AB and Vb is equal to K2 CD. Vf is equal to the velocity of forward reaction, and Vb is equal to the velocity of the backward reaction. A, B, C, D is the equal to the molar concentration of A, B, C and D. K1 and K2 are the constant. At the equivalent state, velocity of the forward reaction is equal to the velocity of backward reaction, that is Vf is equal to Vb. K1 AB is equal to the K2 CD. K1 upon K2 is equal to the CD upon AB, and K1 and K2 are the constant, hence K is equal to CD upon AB, where K is the equilibrium constant of the reaction AA plus BB plus C capital C is equal to PQ plus R upon ABC, where A, B and PQ are the number of molecules of a reacting species. In today's class, I discuss about the law of mass action and various theory of acid-base titration.